Have you put up your tree yet? Do you celebrate Christmas in your family? Have you sent your list to Santa? Hi everybody, in this lesson I'm going to share lots of useful questions and phrases to help you make Christmas small talk at the office. We'll start with some informal questions you can use when talking to colleagues you know well. You can also use these questions for customers or business partners that you know well. And later on we'll look at some more formal examples. All set for Christmas? All set is another word for ready or prepared. It's quite common in informal English to shorten questions by leaving out the auxiliary and the subject. In this case, are you? But only do this if you feel comfortable. I'll say it again and you can repeat it with me. Ready? All set for Christmas? And if you're chatting with a colleague who doesn't celebrate Christmas, you could say, all set for the holidays? Say it with me. All set for the holidays? We say holidays because it's usually a time of year when people can take some time off from work. Not everybody, of course, but for many people this is the case. Next up we have looking forward to Christmas or looking forward to the holidays. Anything special planned this year? Anything special planned this year? Got all your Christmas shopping done? Got all your Christmas shopping done? Put up your tree yet? Put up your tree yet? I bet your kids are excited for Christmas. You don't always have to ask a question to start a conversation. You can also use a statement like this one with rising intonation at the end. So it sounds like a question. Say it again with me. I bet your kids are excited for Christmas. Hear how my voice rises at the end for Christmas. Another good question is, do your kids still believe in Santa? Do your kids still believe in Santa? Or, what's waiting for them under the tree this year? What's waiting for them under the tree this year? What was Christmas like in your family when you were a kid? What was Christmas like in your family when you were a kid? What's the best present you ever got? What's the best present you ever got? Do you have any special Christmas traditions in your family? Do you have any special Christmas traditions in your family? Or, what's your favorite Christmas song? What's your favorite Christmas song? In fact, leave me a comment and let me know. Mine is Fairy Tale of New York by the Pogues. If you don't know it, check it out. What do you usually have for Christmas dinner? What do you usually have for Christmas dinner? And a couple of funny or humorous questions. Have you sent your list to Santa? Have you sent your list to Santa? Or, have you been a good boy this year? Have you been a good boy this year? Or very similar, have you been naughty or nice this year? Have you been naughty or nice this year? And for colleagues and customers you don't know very well, here are some more formal questions you can ask. Are you looking forward to Christmas? Are you looking forward to Christmas? Or, do you have any time off over the holidays? Do you have any time off over the holidays? Do you have any plans for Christmas? Do you have any plans for Christmas? Do you celebrate Christmas in your family? Do you celebrate Christmas in your family? If the answer is yes, you can ask the following. How do you celebrate Christmas? How do you celebrate Christmas? Do you have a special meal? Do you have a special meal? Or, what's a typical Christmas tradition in your culture? What's a typical Christmas tradition in your culture? If someone tells you that they don't celebrate Christmas, you could ask, what's the most important holiday in your culture? What's the most important holiday in your culture? When is it? When is it? What do people normally do during this holiday? What do people normally do during this holiday? How do you celebrate? How do you celebrate? Is there a special meal that you eat during this holiday? Is there a special meal that you eat during this holiday? If you can think of any other useful questions to make Christmas small talk with your colleagues and customers, let us know in the comments. If you liked this lesson, give it a thumbs up and watch one of these next.